Hello everybody and welcome to the first in 4 videos on our Dennison JCB Black November special offer series. First one from me is our 155 skid steer. The unique selling point on the JCB skid steers is this single side boom. This is under warranty for 7 years or 7,000 hours. We're absolutely convinced of the integrity and strength of it. Lovely little machine. It comes with the wider tires. It comes with JCB's 𝗏𝗏 56 horsepower engine. This one has a road light kit on it, front and rear spot lamps. And the main selling point on our skid steers is the whole health and safety aspect. Rather than having to climb through the front window like you do on some, we have a proper side opening door on the cab. The cab is easily accessible. And as I say, it is such a health and safety feature. It's brilliant. So this 155 skid steer is available from £490 per month over 5 years on hire purchase. Give us a call